Howdy ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm really excited to prove you that it's possible to learn the fundamentals of Roblox scripting in just 5 minutes. And who knows, actually you may start your path to create a game that will earn you tons of Robux. So for a better effect, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and let's jump into it. Once you started a new project, remember that every Roblox game is made of things called objects. Buildings, sounds, particle effects, interface buttons. Everything in your Explorer tab, everything that you see in your game is an object. If you don't see your objects, then go to View tab on top panel and turn on Explorer and Properties. So yeah, what about properties? Every object has its own properties and you can manipulate them in your Properties tab. Those are something like settings that define how your object will look, how it will work, how it will behave itself, and so on. Bruh. So, the first important concept of Roblox scripting that you need to know is that wherever you script in your game is all about changing properties of objects. Well, so if I can change properties right in the interface tab, why do we need scripting? The answer is simple. Just imagine if properties need to be changed differently all during the game, or as a reaction to players' actions, or you need to make some properties random, for example, that's when you need to use scripts. And when it comes to scripting, there are two main types of scripts we can use. Those are local scripts and server scripts. Local scripts are performed separately for every player in the game, and results of their work are visible only to one specific player for whom this script was performed. Server scripts, on the other hand, are all about stuff visible for every single player. Server scripts are usually stored in folders like Workspace or Server Script Service. So let's create one right now in Server Script Service. First of all, I need to somehow locate the object that I want to change. So there is a pretty cool locating system in Roblox Studio. Same way as you describe your address in real life, it's country, state, city, street, and building. In Roblox Studio we use folders. For example, I want to work with the part located in Workspace and named part. So what I type is game, because all the objects in game are inside, guess what? A game. Then Workspace, and then the name of the object. Inside the object there is a brick color, so I type brick color and that's what I get. If I want to change the color to neon orange, for example, then I just type brickcolor.u, parentheses, quotations, and inside quotations neon orange. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on for a second. Properties in Roblox are changed differently depending on which property are you trying to change, but it becomes much easier if you just Google the exact property and go to Roblox creators documentation to check out the examples. By the way, I have a deeper explanation on properties in one of my older videos. You may question, do I really need to type such a long text anytime I want to somehow change this object? And the answer is no, and that's just awesome. You can simply go to the beginning of your script and use such a construction to hide your object's path under some label, and this label is called variable. And regarding to variable, the line of code I have recently created will now look much more simple, and anytime I'll be changing something in that object, I'll be able to use variable instead of typing the full path. So what are variables? Variable is some kind of a shelf where you can store some piece of information. It can be an object, a number, some text, almost anything. And anytime you want to get this piece of information, you simply type its name, like in the line that you see. I typed object to change, and according to line first, it stands for game.workspace.part. By the way, I can also store some number and, for example, change transparency of my object with this variable, and it will look like that. There are tons of topics to learn in Roblox actually, but let me try to make this journey more entertaining for you. Let's make this part change its color to a random one once it's clicked. In Explorer, find your part, click plus near it, and add a click detector object there. Now stop the video, copy this code into your game, and let's try it in action. Great, it worked. And if it worked for you as well, you have the reason to be really proud of yourself, as you have created your first gaming function in Roblox. Well done, pal! So let's see what does this code stand for. We firstly locate our object and then the click detector inside this object. We explain to the script that we need to connect some functionality once it's been mouse clicked. After that, we just change the brick color property to a random value. You can see how the random color should be written on the screen. That's all for today, but far not everything you can learn about Roblox Studio. My piece of advice is to subscribe to my channel to check out more useful tutorials that will lead you to your perfect Roblox developer career. So thank you for watching, and may the mythical unicorn bless you.